Shit, man, all that studio killing time got me needing a cigarette, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I feel you, dude.
Look like you done lit one up, you know what I'm saying? You feel me, nigga?
No, we ahead of the game.
You know what's up, man? Shit.
Murdering these mics, man, it's like, shit, man. What else we ain't did already, you know what I'm saying? Shit, dude, it's like, I can't stop flowing, like, I sleep in the studio, eat in the studio, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you're saying, nigga.
Any moment, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, show up, boys. Young Truth K9. That's 4 niggas on the motherfucking round. Let me get you. Hey. Yeah, 2010.
We smoking, we riding. Tired of these people fucking two-time, man. Grab my sack, I'ma relax. I'ma go home, then we gon' get it on. We gon' get it on, son. We smoking, we riding. Tired of these people two-time, man. I'ma grab my sack, I'm relaxed. I'ma go home, then it's gonna get it on.
Yeah, check it. Mic check, mic check, phone. Get up on the mic, then I motherfucking blow. I let the shit go like a break stage in. If you talk shit, I'ma beat your face in. Young Truth, man, the center of the tension. Every time I'm in school, I get attention. Put me in attention, I'm the center of attention. Getting so much trouble that I pull it on the daily double. I tell them all the same thing, I'm the king of this game. Young Truth, only 15, but I'm icy cold, icy snow. Something like Jeezy, nigga, make it fucking slow. But God lead it down, yeah, God got my back. I got faith with that nigga, but I still smoke cracks. I'm still chillin', fuck relax, sit back, smoke a sack, bring it back, hit a lap. And all these shawties in the back of the lap. No, SOB, don't stop on the rack. And when we get up in the mall, first swag, yeah, we buying off the mall, yeah, we popping off the racks. Tell you one thing, yeah, I got my swag. Hammers in my motherfucking bag. We smoking, we riding. I'm tired of these fakers keep on two-time. Grab my sack, I'ma chill and relax. I'ma hit the fucking club. Billy sitting on dubs. I got plenty, so show me some love.
We smoking, we riding. I'm tired of these people two-time, man.
Yeah, look, hey, K9, what's up? Tell her I'm cool, cooler than the coolest fluid. I'm a microphone fiend, I abuse the music, hey, yeah, but I'm so damn used to it, man, just the way I fucking do it. Goddamn, I'm a heathen, a fucking nuisance. I'm a problem that they don't even know what to do with. But I'm the coolest rooster in this coop, kid. I don't roosters don't fly, but the coop is ruthless. And I'm so ruthless, so I right hook, bitch, that'll leave you toothless. And tell your sister Susan, if she choose it, she can get the dick if her pussy juicy. Ayy,
We smoking, we riding. I'm tired of these niggas two-time, man. I'ma grab my sack, I'ma relax. I'ma get it on, then I'ma go home. Get stoned. We smoking, we riding. Yeah, I'm tired of these people two-time, man. Yeah. I'ma grab my sack, I'ma relax. I'ma go home, and I'ma get it on.
tell her. SOB, motherfucker, you know what it is. I'm ready to show off TV.
Motherfucking truth, nigga.
No, right.
Your boy K9. What's up?
Any time of the day, you know what I'm saying? Just chillin', posted up, doing what we always do, you know what I'm saying?
Get it ENT, nigga.
Yeah.
Back up.